Why should anyone invest in a company? Why should anyone invest in me? Well, my answer to that is simple. I would invest in me. I would invest in KICVentures because I believe that winners are winners because they feel that they're winners before they win. And then they learn to win and they expect to win. And the expectation of winning is not just a hope. It's a feedback into how they're going to prepare to increase their chances of winning. So for me, winning is all I have lived my entire life. So this is not new, which means that whatever endeavor I encounter or I decide to go after, I expect to win because I understand what it takes. As an entrepreneur, I am not a gambler. What I do is I look at problems and I look at the opportunities that solving those problems will bring. And I want the opportunities and I want the result. And I also want the challenge and the journey. And so that's why I would invest in me. That's why I would invest in KICVentures. Because I expect to deliver and to succeed. I believe that, and my life journey has all the proof. Just follow the proof.